The truck is in the shop. Ouch. Hey y'all, me and Gizmo are sitting here while we wait on the wife and the youngin' to get out of the store. Figured I'd make a really quick video. It's turbo time. We have major repairs going on with the truck. Looks like I'm gonna miss a week's worth of work. Looks like the truck is gonna be down, and I am on a forced vacation once again. I will let y'all know more about the price and everything when everything is said and done, but I can tell you this: I wasn't looking forward to paying no money for no goddamn turbo. God bless. Catch you on the next ride. Say bye, Gizmo. Tell him bye-bye. Tell him bye-bye.